So sum of natural numbers between 100 and 200 whose SCF is 91 should be more than 1. Okay, and these are the options. Let's see the solution. So the given numbers are 101, 102, 1032, 198, 199, because numbers are natural numbers and 100 to 200, 100 to 200, and these are not natural numbers. That's why this will be the numbers. And HCF of 91 and a number is more than 1 means the number should be either multiply of 7 or 13. That's why this is a 91 equivalent 13 into 7. Either it will be multiply of 7 or it will be multiply of 13. And the sum of number can be written as number divided by 7 plus number divided by 13 minus number divided by 91. Okay. So 105 divided by 7, 112 divided by 7, and these are the numbers which are divided by 7. 104, 117, 195 divided by 13, and 182 is only divided by 90. That's why minus. Okay. And we will take 14 upon 2, like 105 plus 196 plus 8 by 2. We will take as common. 104 plus 196 minus 182. And 14 divided by 2 is 7, and after sum of 105 and 196 we get 301 plus 4 and 299 minus 182, and after solving this we will get this 3121, and the answer number, option number C is correct. 3121 is the answer.